Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's video, we are going to be trying 6 stunning cat eyes by the brand Double Rhythm. If you guys have been on the channel before, you guys already know Double Rhythm is one of my top 3 brands. Now, this is not a sponsored video, but I thought that I would come on and give you guys your regularly scheduled program. I'm going to let you know right now, the last couple of weeks have been so emotionally and physically draining for me. I needed to take a step back. So for today's video, you guys got me in my comfy PJs. I've got these beautiful glass fruit cat eyes, and I'm so excited to hang out with you guys and to try these beautiful colors. If you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Delissime and I am a licensed nail technician here on the channel as well as in real life. On the channel, we normally talk about nail art, nail designs, as well as nail tutorials. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I promise you will have so much fun here on the channel with me, with us, with the rest of the Delissime squad. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share the video to someone who might be interested. I will leave all of my other social media handles here for you guys to follow me there for exclusive content. And without further ado, let's dive in. I am so excited to finally open up this double rhythm glass fruit cat eye. I love this brand so much. And honestly, the bottles and like the way that everything is like beautifully placed in this packaging is so exciting. So we are opening it up. It's got this beautiful display. So like almost like a little bit of a like spoil alert, but we have like a preview of all of our stunning colors. I cannot wait to dive in. But first, let's get the display all up and running. And honestly, long nails versus plastic, let me tell you, that was on there very tightly. So we can see as we look on the display, we already have some fruit inspiration. We've got kiwi, I see some guava, grapefruit, we got great blueberries. So I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like when we get them on our swatches. So just making sure that we have all of our pieces to put the display together. It comes with a little screw and then a metal rod. And I'm trying to figure out like, is this the right way? No, that doesn't make sense because why would the display be on the front? But we're excited. We're screwing it in. And I am so pumped to get these on the swatches. But the display is super cute. I think I've gotten one other display. And I know I had mentioned that we're going to do the full shine. So I've got my magnet, I've got my alcohol prep pads, my buffer, because I actually had one of my subscribers ask me down in the comments, like, why do you use the base coat for your testers? And I'm like, I don't know. So we're buffing them out before we dive into our first color, which is 1246. It is so far looking very velvety almost. And I've got my swatch here, and we are gonna finally start with our very first layer. Here we go. Let's see the moment we've all been waiting for. This actually comes very light when you put it on the swatch. When I add a little bit more polish onto the brush, it's giving me that full coverage, which is really nice because if you guys know, I normally try not to have a color underneath. Like if I can just get away with using a couple coats of just the cat eye, then we're saving so much time during the nail appointment. So we've got our full shine. You can see that it's almost kind of like a silvery hint. So beautiful. I'm already loving how it's turning out. Our very next color, we've got our 1248. And this one is almost giving like grape. I would have to say that the first one was definitely giving kiwi. So as we are applying our first layer, I was gonna ask you guys to let me know down in the comments. I have seen so many tutorials when it comes to like actually making the type of fruit that you can make with these cat eyes. But for today's video, I just thought we would do a nice tutorial, seeing all the colors. Depending on what you guys say down in the comments, I may make a part two and actually make the shape of their fruit, hitting it with the cat eye, giving it some 3D nail designs. So let me know down in the comments if that is something that you would like to see here on the channel. Now, let's go ahead and just give this purple a moment. This 1248 is absolutely stunning. I'm loving the hint of orange. It's definitely giving grape. All right, moving on to 1247. And my sister was actually here with me as I was recording the video. And as I was reviewing the color, she was like, this is the one. So I'm almost 115% certain that we are most likely going to put that on her little toes. And I'm so sorry for this camera work. I know it was a little bit shaky. I tried to cut out as much shake as I could. I could. I tried. I really tried to make it as normal as possible, but it's okay. We're out here. This is giving fall. This is giving autumn. If I were to tie this to a fruit, I would probably have to say maybe like the outside of a kiwi. I don't know. I'm not sure. Or if I do like the orange, like an orange after like I hit it with a cat eye, I feel like we could get away with a nice like orange. It's beautiful. Moving right along to MC1249. I know I said purple for the last one, and I might have to look at that display again because I'm like, is this one grape for this color? Or maybe I can make it into like some blueberries. I think blueberries would be better because that purple was definitely giving great, but I'm loving it. I love how deep it is. I'm loving this full coverage as we go in with our second coat. I'm already like anticipating what the magnet is going to do to it because I'm already loving the way that it is regularly. And you guys already know I freak out when I finally see the cat eye. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to grab our magnet, we're gonna kiss it. And yes, I wear a dark blue shirt for work, and I might have to do this one for my next. Okay, 1249. See you. You guys already know. I want to know down in the comments out of all the colors that we've seen so far, or you can wait till the end of the video. I want to know which one you love the most. This purple, I could definitely see is giving the inside of guava. I remember seeing that on the display. Or maybe even like strawberries. Yeah, I definitely think I could do some strawberries with this color. It's definitely giving like a classic, almost like pink. I don't know, like I feel like the ladies back in the day would like wear this like type of pink. But I love it. I know Miss Girl Elizabeth, Miss E. I know this one you'd probably be eyeing too. But with the magnet, it is so pretty. And you guys, Double Rhythm is such an amazing brand. Like I know I always talk about Born Pretty, I talk about Maniology, but Double Rhythm is so nice. If you guys have not tried this, you guys need to either get like a single cat eye or like a little peck because look at these bottles, like look at the polish, like you could tell that they definitely took some time. We have our very next color, 1215, and I am so pumped to see what this is going to actually look like when we get it on the swatch. Of course, we are just doing a nice thin layer for our first coat. And this one is absolutely giving kiwi. It's so light, it's giving the pastel, and I absolutely love it. It's actually reminding me of the color that I have on my middle finger. The set that I am currently rocking is also double rhythm. So if you like this palette, this one is actually the glass mermaid set. Okay. I will leave this in the description below. I purchased these on Amazon. I actually noticed that you could subscribe to get all of like their latest stuff, which I feel like I might have to do because I'm always ordering all the different types of nail polish, especially when it comes to the cat eye. But speaking of cat eye, I'm just making sure that the magnet is kissing it just right. And after we cure it, they are looking absolutely stunning. So making sure that you are happy with the way that it looks, because you could also do a third layer, but now we are going to review all of these beautiful colors. I am in love with this super top coat made by Born Pretty. I am so in love with the brush. I love the consistency and the way that it goes beautifully onto these swatches. So we are going to get these all swatched up. We're going to cure them for 60 seconds and go through all the colors just to see which one of course there's going to be a little piece of fuzz there, but once we remove that piece of fuzz, we are about ready to get this cured. So let's put this in the LED, moving right along to our next color. Which one, you guys, you gotta let me know which one down in the comments is your favorite one. You guys already know MC1249 is pulling on my heartstrings. It is so beautiful. And that cat eye is like, it's like the perfect contrast. You know what I'm saying? It's like once it hits the light, it's like this color. And then once it doesn't, it's like another color. We have our very, I don't want to say it, like old lady pink. It's giving old lady pink. And then we've got our stunning, beautiful kiwi. Here we are with the shakiest camera work, you guys. I'm so sorry. But we have our little key ring, and you guys know I love putting the newest collection on that key ring. So excited for my clients to be able to see all the colors so that they can choose which one they want for the next one. So exciting. So happy. I just want to take a moment to say thank you. I appreciate all of you guys. I appreciate your patience. Living with many autoimmune diseases, it gets really hard and makes life very unpredictable. And I know at the beginning of this video, I had mentioned that emotionally and physically, it just took a toll. So I just appreciate you guys coming back, leaving the love, watching the shorts. I would not be here without you guys. What did you guys think about these different colors? They are so stunning. I love the way that the cat eye does what it needs to do. You guys already know I enjoy trying out new brands. So you guys have to let me know down in the comments which brands you haven't seen me try on the channel, which one of these colors is your absolute favorite. I was also thinking that I was going to start incorporating like the nail tutorial part, right? I've been doing so much 3D nail art, and I feel like that paired with these fruit glass jellies would be absolutely perfect. So you guys let me know down in the comments, is a 3D nail art tutorial something that you're interested in? Because it's something that I love to do. And I feel like I've got the technique down to where I could really turn these into glass fruit jellies. So let me know if that would be the next video you guys want to see. I'm so curious. I'm so happy. I've been very much living in my lupus, in my RA. So it might be sometime, it may not be. I don't know how I feel. I did promise some very important people in my life that I would take a chill pill. I just need to like sit down, take a chill pill. I am definitely not practicing what I preach and living that work life balance. It's been like work, work, work. And then like life wants to slap you across the face. So I am excited to be in front of the camera. I'm excited to be here with you guys. I'm excited to edit this video, but I'm also excited to sleep. Your girl needs to sleep. She needs to sleep. I need to like lay my body. I'm just kidding. But spooky season is around the corner. Ooh, who's excited? Ugh. All right. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and we'll catch you for the next one. Bye.
Oh, I wanted you subscribe. Oh, I wanted you. You got me in my feelings.